All right, today I got a new iPhone 14. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. All right, obviously it's in blue. This is the standard, the regular iPhone 14, not the Pro or Max or Gigundo or anything like that. Okay, all right, so in the box, it's a little piece of paper telling me it was designed in California and made by 8-year-old children in China. And comes with a USB-C to Lightning cable, and that's it. Apparently they've drastically reduced their carbon footprint over at Apple by reducing the size of the boxes, by not including chargers and earbuds and things like that. So you have to pay extra to buy those items, and they can ship a lot more of them in a crate, so they can reduce their impact on the climate, I suppose. Okay, so let's see. Does it come charged? I don't know the answer to that. I can see that it has 2 cameras here. Not the 3. It's the 12 megapixel version, not the 48 megapixel that comes on the Pro. Still, it's not bad. What it doesn't have is telephoto. It has regular and wide angle, whereas on the Pro you'll see a third one that's telephoto, I believe. Not really a phone guy. Okay, so I guess maybe I hit this button. Oh, that looks like it might be a slot for a SIM card, though I'm told the American version of this phone does not have a slot for a SIM card. And maybe that's just where one would be if there were such a slot. I don't know. Okay, yes, that's the button to start it. So I see it's got one button on the side, no home button. It's got volume buttons and the silence button. It's got, I guess they call this the notch up here, whereas there's some kind of island on the more advanced versions. And it's welcoming me in different languages. Also, you can see that there's no headphone jack, no mini jack. There's just a lightning connector. So I have to either get Bluetooth earbuds or get an adapter to plug mine into here. Okay, so I see SOS is already activated. Of course, one of the features of this phone is it comes with satellite SOS distress call if it's in an area without cellular connectivity, and that's huge. I haven't researched anything about the service, if it's available right away or if it's going to be a software upgrade or whatever, but it's definitely something they're advertising. And from what I understand, it's not going to be you can make satellite calls like you can with the satellite phone, which is very expensive. What I understand is you can send either a text or a voice message. The battery's actually mostly charged. So the phone itself is, the back is covered in glass, and the front obviously is glass. It's some kind of mineral or Gorilla Glass, or some very strong glass, but still, of course, the salesman at Verizon was very keen to try and upsell me, telling me I need a case, which is probably a good idea, although my old iPhone I carried around for years without a case and never broke it. But he said, well, this one's glass, you really got to be careful. I don't know if that's true. The Apple television commercials show the phone dropping on the ground and still being fine, but who knows. He also told me it's an $800 phone, you're going to need insurance, you better get insurance. And then he told me, yeah, the insurance is only $17 a month. I'm like, oh, that's kind of expensive. Apple Care Plus is literally half that. And he said, oh, no, no, well, we could sell you that too, but this is better. This covers accidental and all that. I'm like, yeah. Screen repair is only $29. I'm like, wow, sounds a lot like Apple Care Plus, which is half the price. I didn't get either plan. I haven't decided. I know I still have, I think, like 60 days or something to get Apple Care Plus. Or I could just pay for repairs if I happen to break it. It does come with a 1-year warranty. So swipe up to open, select English, that's my region, and it's giving me the option to either quick start or set up manually. Now I'm not going to make this video 30 minutes long and have you watch me set it up. I just wanted to share my new phone with you since I know a lot of people are excited about the new phone. The previous iPhone 13 came in a green color that I kind of liked. This no longer comes in the green color, but the blue is something new. It's very light blue, and there's what they call purple, which is kind of like a really pale lavender. And the Starlight, I really like that one. And of course, I think they still come in the product red, where they make it like a 50-cent donation on your $1,000 phone. Anyway, that's the iPhone 14. I'm not reviewing it today. I'm just unboxing it and showing it to you. And now I'm gonna say goodbye and go set this phone up so I can start making calls on it. I'm pretty excited about it. It's much bigger than my old phone. I had the SE previously, which fit nicely in my pocket, but it's kind of a small screen. So this should be really cool. Thanks for watching.